Hey, I'm Chef Antonio Bondra from beautiful Lake Havasu City, Arizona, and I'm looking to skate my way into Hell's Kitchen. You pretending to sleep? Just gonna roast the bell peppers for our roast. Beautiful. That's not very nice. Zigala. Protein and stuff, like. And there you have it. Got a beautifully pan-seared halibut over a puree of roasted bell pepper with a green onion and microgreen garnish. Thanks for watching. Although I wasn't classically trained in the kitchen, I really started at a young age and worked my way up from doing salads and prep to actually running, being the executive chef of a steakhouse that's very high volume, fast paced, and really pride myself on my cooking and all that I've accomplished, because when I was starting out in my culinary journey, I actually got into some trouble, and cooking really turned my life around. It gave me a beautiful family and a house and just not the future I thought that I was going to have the way my life was going, and I'm thankful every day to it. And that's why I'm so passionate about my cooking, and really every day I go into the kitchen, I really want to bring myself to that next level, and that's what I'm hoping that Hell's Kitchen will do for me and my family, is help me get to that next level. You know, I'm like a sponge. I absorb information, I calculate it, I make it better, I'll do whatever it takes to be the best, and I think that's what I really have to offer the show. Not to mention my good looks and my personality, of course, but also my talent, my skill, and my will to get better.